Hi there, this is Mike from Revs West in Torquay. Today we've got a very nice T5.1 in the workshop. It's a nice custom paint job as well. Today we've installed the new DMX8021. So this is one of KENWOOD's new head units. This head unit has a digital radio, Android Auto, which I currently have paired up. It is wireless and wired. We also have the ability to fit reversing cameras, the KENWOOD dash camera. We've also retained the OPC on this vehicle, so if I put it into a reverse, as you see, we've retained the parking. So it's a very nice head unit, and there we go.